Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to learn home renovation. Begin by tackling smaller projects like painting a room or updating a light fixture. This approach helps you gain practical experience without feeling overwhelmed. Always research local building codes and permit requirements for your area to ensure compliance. Establishing a clear budget and timeline from the start is crucial for managing expectations and avoiding unforeseen issues. This foundational planning sets you up for success. To truly learn home renovation, focus on acquiring essential skills. Basic carpentry, including measuring, cutting, and joining wood, is fundamental for many projects. Understanding simple plumbing, such as replacing a faucet or fixing a leaky pipe, will save you time and money. Electrical safety is paramount. Learn how to safely replace outlets or switches. These core competencies form the backbone of successful home improvement endeavors, empowering you to tackle more complex tasks with confidence. Effective planning is key to a smooth renovation process. Develop a comprehensive project plan outlining every step, from material selection to the final touches. Ensure you have all the required tools and safety gear, like gloves and eye protection, readily available. Documenting your work with photos and notes is incredibly helpful for tracking progress and troubleshooting. This meticulous approach minimizes errors and keeps your project on track, leading to a more satisfying outcome. There are many excellent resources to support your learning journey. Online tutorials and videos offer step-by-step guidance for countless tasks. Consider local workshops or community college courses for hands-on training and expert instruction. Home improvement books and magazines provide valuable insights and inspiration. Connecting with experienced renovators can offer practical advice and mentorship, accelerating your learning. Continuous learning and practice are vital for mastering the art of home renovation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.